Hello friends, this is Stella from Style Ghana. Today I'm going to show you a project we did at Jose Tuto II Estate, affordable house in Kumasi. This is how the room looked like before and how we transformed the space into a stylish and elegant unit. As we go along, I'll also mention the price of the TV unit as per the client's request. So join me on this journey as we take a look at how we did the work from scratch to finish. First, we did a 3D rendered design, which consists of 4 different designs. And this is what the client chose. In this work, there are 3 processes we did in installing the TV panel, which are drilling, aligning, and finishing. In this stage, we've done the finishing. We use a loco board instead of tape. Why? Tape has only the measurement of 1 centimeter width, which will be too small and not visible with the size of a TV panel like 10.3 feet by 8.5 feet, while the aluco board can be cut in any specific size we want, and it's more vibrant. We've also taken out the covering of the aluco board to protect it from any scratch. As always, artisans face problems during installation. A fan switch was close to the open display. A DSTV cable is also showing, which we have to hide, and a 1 socket that we need to add more. We solved these problems because of our vast experience and see the final product. Isn't it lovely? The materials we use are Turkish chipboard and MDF. The TV panel cost 11,000 Ghana cedi. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We really need your support. Thank you very much.